Want to boost your ETH earnings effortlessly? Dive into the ABCD Fusion Key NFT minting contest. The goal is simple: mint the highest number of NFTs and reap substantial ETH rewards. The stakes are high, with a massive 25 ETH giveaway for the top 10 minters. So, what's up for grabs in this exciting contest, you may ask? Well, hold on to your hats because the rewards are quite staggering. The first wallet to mint the most ABCD Fusion Key NFTs will earn the title of Pay Knight and bag an impressive 4.5 ETH. But don't worry if you're not the fastest. The second position, or Benetoit, still pockets a handsome 3.5 ETH. The rewards don't stop there. Third place, known as Tafit, also earns 3.5 ETH. Fourth and fifth places, Pudretite and Grandidierite, receive a rewarding 2.5 ETH each. Sixth place, or Red Barrel, enjoys a 2.5 ETH reward. Seventh to 10th places, named Musgravite, Jeremejevite, Udialite, and Petalite, each secure 1.5 ETH. With such substantial rewards, there's every reason to get minting. Now you might be asking, how do I maximize my chances? Well, here's a tip. Jump in early during the minting phase. The more ABCD Fusion Key NFTs you mint, the higher your chances of winning. This contest is open to everyone, everywhere. The winner, determined by the wallet with the most minted NFTs, will be announced on our social media after the minting phase. Remember, the key is to mint more, and you could be the lucky one to walk away with a handsome ETH reward. Stay tuned for exciting updates. Your big win awaits.